not just one project, it's almost like a big portfolio of projects. There's maybe like hundreds a total across all portfolio. But basically what our automation team does is we are working with their building technology group to essentially eliminate building technologies that are out of date and vulnerable on their network. So that's really like going in, doing our assessments and designs to create plans to remove that equipment. So the new systems are modern, robust, and not susceptible to like cyber attacks and things like that you see nowadays. Every building is different. Even if you have two different office buildings, the layouts are different. The local teams have different requirements. So it's always fun having tackling different challenges for the projects. Nothing's ever the same. But part of the challenge is also helping them develop their standards, because since everything is different, we've been a partner working with them to develop their standards as far as their networking standards, point naming standards, really just trying to make their entire portfolio more easier for them to manage. Really doing anything as it relates to buildings and facilities, just ways to improve not only the building themselves, but the people who are in them every day, whether it be employees or engineer operators, or people who just are coming through the building for like a retail space, or just like shopping or doing whatever they're doing for a temporary basis. But improving their experience in the building and how they feel and interact with it, as well as making sure that the buildings operate efficiently for environmental efficiencies and making things as energy efficient as possible. I'd say ESD's mission are improving society through the built environment. I think just really a lot of our work was stemming from eliminating vulnerabilities to old technology. I know there's been a lot of talk on the news about hacks for big companies like ransomware and things like that. So I feel like our involvement to help get rid of those vulnerabilities and those old equipment really helps prevent those sort of situations where there is some sort of attack on a network where either a company themselves becomes vulnerable or one of the company's clients becomes vulnerable. Especially dealing with a banking client, you wouldn't want your banking accounts to be frozen or attacked by someone you don't know.